ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो, त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। Fifth chapter of Bhagavad Gita and Bhagwan Sri Dhaneshwar Maharaj's commentary we have been seeing. In first shloka itself, Arjuna has asked a question: Karma Yoga is superior or Karma Sannyasa is superior? Because in previous chapter, Bhagwan has elaborated beautifully Karma Sannyasa. And the last shloka of the chapter says that, O Arjuna, tasmad yogi bhava. You become karma yogi. So this is obvious and genuine question that what I should do. I should go for karma yoga or karma sannyasa. Bhagavan is going to reply for the same. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Sannyasah karma yogascha निःश्रेयसकरावुभौ तयोस्तु कर्म संन्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते। श्रीभगवानुवाच संन्यासः कर्मयोगश्च निःश्रेयसकरावुभौ तयोस्तु कर्म संन्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते। संन्यासः कर्मयोगः निःश्रेयसकरौ उभौ तयोस्तु कर्मसन्न्यासात् कर्मयोगः विशिष्यते। विग्रह देन अन्वय। संन्यासः कर्मयोगः च उभौ निःश्रेयसकरौ। Here Bhagwan has disclosed that karma yoga, doing actions without attachment, God centered action, and renouncing all the actions, ubhau, both nishreyasa both are going to give you moksha. Then what is superior? That is my question. Tayoho, out of them, karma sannyasat, more than karma sannyasa, karma yoga vishishyate. Karma yoga is superior. Then why Bhagavan has told this? Nareshwar Maharaj is going to explain that karma, sannyasa, karma yoga both are going to give the results, but karma yoga is easy to practice each and every the slot in this world. So there are different categories of people. Those who have vairagya, those who don't have vairagya. Few people have viveka, few people have only vairagya, few people have viveka, vairagya, both. Few people have nothing. So all category can practice, can start with karma yoga. That is why it is superior. Otherwise, karma sannyasa and karma yoga, there is no comparison between them. From common man perspective or from his standpoint, karma yoga is superior. Otherwise, we cannot, Bhagwan is not criticizing sannyas here. One thing we have to understand, people read this shloka and they say sannyas is futile, sannyas is not been prescribed by Bhagwan Krishna. It is not like that. You see your caliber. Can you take sannyasa? Yes, then sannyasa is superior. You are a normal person, is it easy to renounce everything? No. Then karma yoga is for you. It is superior for you. Seeing the qualifier also, the things are prescribed. So it is not that sannyasa is not superior here. Sannyasa is the best, where you cut the all strings which are tied to me and mine. तो म्हणेगा कुंती सुता, हे संन्यास योग विचारिता, मोक्ष कर तत्वता, दोन्ही होती. तो म्हणेगा कुंती सुता, हे संन्यास योग विचारिता, मोक्ष कर तत्वता, दोन्ही होती. Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, मोक्ष कर, in order to give moksha, तत्वता दोन्ही ही होती. Actually speaking, really speaking, as far as moksha is concerned, both the path. Which two paths? Sannyasah, yoga. Sannyasa and karma yoga, both they give moksha only. But when vicharita, when you think, that time. Okay. So both are going to give moksha. Then why karma yoga is superior? Now Maharaj is explaining. तरी जाणा नेणा सकळा, हा कर्मयोगो कीर प्रांजळा, जैसी नाव स्त्रिया बाळा, तोय तरणी. तरी जाणा नेणा सकळा, हा कर्मयोगो कीर प्रांजळा, जैसी नाव स्त्रिया बाळा, तोय तरणी. He gives example. Tari, Jana, Nena. Jana means those who have idea about the spiritual world. What should be done, then how Shravana, Marana, Nididhyasana, how Tattvam Padartha Shodhan, before that how Chitta Shuddhi, Chitta Ekagrata, those who know all these things. They say sadhana chatushtaya, who knows what all requirements are prerequisite for moksha. Such people. Nena, those who have no idea what spirituality is, what all things you need to have before going to listen, before going to do shravana. No idea. Or such people also. So Jana, who have clear cut idea about spiritual path. Nena, who don't know anything. Sakala, and everyone. Ha karma yogu kira pranjana. This action of path of action is very, very useful. Pranjala, very, very easy to practice. Can you give us example? Yes. There is big river and you want to cross that river, and there are children along with you. There are some women also along with you. What do? You don't swim and go. What do? You hire one boat. All of you sit in that boat and you just cross the river. So how boat is easy to cross the river? Very, very helpful that boat is. In the same way, karma yoga is very, very helpful to get the moksha. Striya means you can say jana. those who know. And Bala, Nena, children don't know anything. What to do, what not to do. So both Jana, Nena, Karma Yoga, Kira Pranjala. For everyone, Karma Yoga is the best. तैसे सारा सार पाहिजे तरी सोहपाहाची देखिजे येणे संन्यास फळ लाहिजे अनायासे तैसे सारा सार पाहिजे तरी सोहपाहाची देखिजे येणे संन्यास फळ लाहिजे अनायासे तरी सारासार पाहिजे इफ यू कंपेअर कर्मयोग अँड कर्मसन्यास स्वपाहाची देखिजे कर्मयोग इज simple. Arjuna had asked, give me a simple solution and it should go far also. Just like you sleep in the train and 2000 kilometers just like over a night is completed. That kind of solution you give. So Bhagavan gives that kind of solution. Sara sar pahije. If you think properly, कर्म योग सोपाहाची देखिजे. And beauty is, you see, beauty of Hindu religion is येणे संन्यास फळ लाहिजे अनायासे. संन्यास फळ, what you are going to get after renunciation of all the karmas, same result effortlessly. Anayase lahije. Effortlessly you will gain once you do karma, but with different set of rules. Not that you do karma and you get result of karma sannyasa. There are some rules where you do karma with different understanding. God-centered understanding. Beautiful, beautiful it is explained. आता याची लागी सांगेन तुझ संन्यासियाचे चिन्ह मग सहजे हे अभिन्न जाणसी तू आता याची लागी सांगेन तुझ संन्यासियाचे चिन्ह मग सहजे हे अभिन्न जानसी तू therefore आता now याची लागी सांगेन I am going to tell you for this reason means that both karma sannyas karma yoga are one, they give same one result. तुझ संन्यासियाचे चिन्ह I am going to talk about sannyas. Then you are going to tell me about sannyasa. Then what will happen? मग सहजे हे अभिन्न जानसी तू जानसी you will know that सहजे अभिन्न easily effortlessly they are abhinna one karma yoga karma sannyasa one only you will understand once I tell you the indicators of sannyasa or characteristics of sannyasa of renunciation. ज्ञेयः स नित्यसन्न्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते. ज्ञेयः स नित्यसन्न्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते. ज्ञेयः सः नित्य सन्यासी यह न द्वेष्टि न कांक्षति निर्द्वंद्व ही महाबाहो सुखम बंधात प्रमुच्यते. यह न द्वेष्टि न कांक्षति सह नित्य सन्यासी ज्ञेयः. One who doesn't dislike someone, doesn't hate someone, doesn't entertain envy towards anyone. Na kangshati, one who doesn't anticipate, expect so many things. He is real sannyasi, you must know. Mahabaho, O Arjuna, nirdvandva bandhat sukham pramuchate. Nirdvandvaha, pairs of opposite, that person who is beyond these pairs of opposites, that person, Sukham Bandhat Pramuchate, easily, happily, he breaks the bondages and he attained moksha. Sukham Pramuchate, one who has gone beyond these pairs of opposite, good, bad, cold, hot, everything. So now sannyasi's explanation he is going to do. तरी गेलियाची से न करी न पवता चाड न धरी जो सुनिश्चळू अंतरी मेरु जैसा तरी गेलियाची से न करी न पवता चाड न धरी जो सुनिश्चळू अंतरी मेरु जैसा he is giving the example of Meru Parvat, a very huge mountain which is unshakable. Sunishchalu, not only Nishchalu, Sunishchalu, nothing can shake it. Who is that? Meru. So, example is given. Who is sannyasi? Geliachi se na kari. If something has slipped out of his hand, he is not brooding or he is not worrying about that thing. It's gone, gone. न पवता चाड न धरी. If he hasn't got it, he is not thinking about that. He is not obsessed with those things. चाड न धरी. He is not obsessed. He is not brooding over it. He is as it is. So wind comes. Nothing happens to Meru, wind goes. So when wind comes, Meru is not dancing. When wind goes, Meru is not sad. So Giliachi Senagari is not worried about whatever is the loss. He is not jumping when something comes to him. Beautiful. This definition is universally accepted by all the sannyasis. Even sannyasi wonder how short and sweet is this definition. And very, very oft quoted verse of Naneshwari. आणि मी हे माझी ऐसी आठवण विसरले जयाचे अंतःकरण पार्था तो संन्यासी जाण निरंतर आणि मी हे माझे ऐसी आठवण विसरले जयाचे अंतःकरण पार्था तो संन्यासी जान निरंतर. ब्युटिफुल डेफिनेशन. मी माझे ऐसी आठवण. दिस इज आय. दिस इज माइन. ऐसी आठवण. This kind of remembrance, this kind of notion, Jayache Antahkarana Visarale, whose heart, mind has forgotten what is I and mine. Very powerful definition. This ashram is mine. Are you are sannyasi? Nothing like that. Me, ani, me, ma, forgotten, completely forgotten. Then how does he transact? That much he will remember. When someone is asking address of his ashram, what sannyasi will say? He will tell the address. If someone says, are you looking after this ashram, he'll say, yes, I am looking after this ashram. So that way, when he transact, that way he hasn't forgotten who is he and what is his ashram or things belongings. No, actually speaking, in heart, in mind, he knows that nothing is mine. I am here to take care of all these things. Nothing is mine, nothing is me. To sannyasi jana, that person is sannyasi. Nirantar, not when he wears the cloth, not that time. Always that person is sannyasi. If someone who is not sannyasi but having this kind of understanding, he is sannyasi. On the other hand, if someone is sannyasi and not having this kind of understanding, he is not the sannyasi. Oh, what a powerful statement. मी माझी ऐसी आठवण विसरले जयाचे अंतःकरण. Forgotten. Me, I and mine. जो म्हणे ऐसा झाला संगीतोची सांडिला म्हणून सुखे सुख पावला अखंडित. जो म्हणे ऐसा जाहला संगीतोची सांडिला म्हणून सुखे सुख पावला अखंडित. जो म्हणे ऐसा झाला. Word is put here with full understanding, not body ऐसा झाला, देहे ऐसा झाला, not externally changes, but internal change. ऐसा झाला, my and mine, mine and I-ness, minus, both are gone. And such person, Sangitochi Sandala Sangha means this attachment will leave this person. Generally, we leave things and we become detached. Okay, this person is with such a different caliber, Sangitochi Sandala. This attachment doesn't go near to him. Attachment has give him up. And then Sukhe Sukha Pavala Akhandita, by his mind he attains, enjoys eternal joy, because there is nothing I notion and my notion in Jada Padartha. In inert object, there is no attachment, there is no wrong notion. आता गृहाधिक आघवे ते काही न लगे त्यजावे जे हे जे घेते जाहले स्वभावे निस्संगू म्हणोनी. आता गृहाधिक आघवे ते काही न लगे त्यजावे जे घेते जाहले स्वभावे निस्संगू म्हणवुनी. आता, now means once this kind of understanding is there, then gruhadika, house, family, wife, न लगे त्यजावे, he need not drop them, he need not renounce them, because जा स्वभावे निसंगू घेते जाहले, he is detached by nature. There is no attachment. What is attachment? I'll tell you. My guru's example is when we eat something with clarified butter, ghee, and you eat something with ghee, and Warkari people they use more ghee, clarified butter. And once you done with your food, what do? You clean your hand, you wash your hand, but you don't wash your tongue. Actually speaking, food was more with your tongue than your hand. But you don't wash your tongue because tongue is not tainted, or tongue is not, affected by that ghee. Nissanga. Your hand is affected. You need to have different kind of soap so that that ghee will leave your hand. So Nisangu means what? You are with it, but you are not in it. This is Gurudev's word. You are with this world. You are not in this world. Not in this. Nisanga. Your mind is with all these things. Your mind is not in objects. Small difference. जे घेते झाले स्वभावे निसंगू म्हणोनी. His nature has become like detached person, free from everything. That's why he need not externally give up all the things. Once again, I will highlight these 2 points. If you have internally given up all these things, you need not externally give up. And if you have not given up internally and externally you have given up all the things, you need to think more. Sooner or later, you are going to invite trouble. Better inside changes should happen than outside changes. Now, beautiful example. What example? देखे अग्निविजोनी जाय मग जे राखोडी केवळू होय तैते कापुसे विसोये जिया परी देखे अग्निविझोनी जाये मग जे राखोडी केवळू होये तैते कापुसे विसूये जिया परी. So there is a fire and cotton. If fire is blazing, in that if you put little bit of cotton, the 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 flare will increase. The flames will increase because cotton is a flammable object. When the fire is on peak, so in fire, if you put cotton, fire will increase. But same fire, when the heat has gone, it becomes ash. That same ash you can keep inside the cotton. Beautiful example. How examples are thought of. Same fire with cotton will increase the fire, will set a fire. But same fire, when the heat has gone, that same ash you can keep in the cotton and you can keep that in your pocket. Example is over. So, beautiful example. Let us once again see. Dekhe Agni Vijo Nizaya. The Agni has put off. Fire is put off. Magaje Rakhodi Kevalu Hoya. Now ash is there. Te te kapuse visuye jiya pari. Like that. In cotton, you put that ash. Like that what? तैसे असतेनी उपाधी ना कळीजे तो कर्मबंधी जयाची बुद्धी संकल्प नाही तैसा असतेनी उपाधी ना कळीजे तो कर्मबंधी जयाची बुद्धी संकल्प नाही. Just like that, असतेनी उपाधी, he is in the body. तैसा असतेनी उपाधी, he is in the house. He is with family. Na Kadije, but he is not attached, bound by those things which he is surrounded. To karmabandhi na Kadije, he is not bound by all the karmas, what he is doing. Zayache buddhi sankalpunaye, because in his mind, in his intellect, sankalpunahi, there is no uh, desire left. Compulsive desire, problematic desires are not there in his heart. Yeah, desires will be there, but non-problematic desires. So, this the previous example is the cotton and the ash. Same way, this person is not attached with the upadhi. He is in that upadhi, but nothing is happening. ना कळीजे तो कर्मबंदी. Just like fire, the cotton is not burnt by that ash. Like that, karma is not binding that person. He can be in that, but he is not bound. The ash can be there in that cotton, but the cotton is not burnt. Both way you can think. So, sankalpune, there are no desire, there are no wishes in the person's mind. And now comes the powerful sentence. म्हणोनी कल्पना जई सांडे तैची गा संन्यासू घडे या कारणे दोन्ही सांगडे संन्यास योग म्हणोनी कल्पना जई सांडे तैची गा संन्यासू घडे या कारणे दोन्ही सांगडे संन्यास योग therefore kalpana jai sande when wrong notion about yourself and world is gone taichiga sannyasu gade then only sannyas is possible ya karane because of this reason doni sangade sannyas yoga both are equal sannyasa you give up externally and internally. And karma yoga, externally you don't give up, but internally everything is like sannyas. But you are doing everything externally, not internally. But how will I know? You will not know about other people. You will know about yourself. Whether you are real sannyasi or not, you only will know. What people will think whatever they want. So, next loka says the result of karma yoga and result of sannyasa is same. Foolish people they think result is different, not intelligent people. Sankhya yoga pruthak balaha प्रवदन्ति न पंडिताः एकमप्यास्थितः सम्यक् उभयोर्विन्दते फलम् सांख्ययोगौ पृथक् बालाः प्रवदन्ति न पंडिताः एकमप्यास्थितः सम्यक् उभयोर्विन्दते फलम् सांख्य योगौ पृथक् बालाः प्रवदन्ति न पंडिताः एकम अपि आस्थितः सम्यक् उभयोः विन्दते फलम्. Now again concept Sankhya and Yoga Pruthak different. Karma Yoga, Karma Sannyasa are different, two different things. Balaha Pravadanti. Balaha means not matured people. Bala means immature. Pravadanti. Na Panditaha, not intelligent people. Ekam api सम्यक आस्थितः उभयोः फलं विन्दते ekam api samyak asthita. If one thing you do properly, ubhayoho phalam vindate. You will get results of both if you do one thing correctly. Ekam api samyak asthitah ubhayoho phalam vindate. You will get the result of both if you do one thing. एरवी तरी पार्था जे मूर्ख होती सर्वथा ते सांख्य कर्म संस्था जाणती केवी एरवी तरी पार्था जे मूर्ख होती सर्वथा ते सांख्य कर्म संस्था जाणती केवी एरवी तरी पार्था बिसाइड्स जे मूर्ख होती सर्वथा foolish people ignorant people सांख्य कर्म संस्था सांख्य योग कर्म योग Janati Kevi, how they will know that this is nothing but one thing. सहजे ते अज्ञान म्हणोनी म्हणती हे भिन्न एरवी दीपा प्रती काही अनान प्रकाशु आहाती सहजे ते अज्ञान म्हणोनी म्हणती हे भिन्न एरवी दीपा प्रती काही अनान प्रकाशु आहाती सहजे ते अज्ञान it is ignorance only म्हणोनी म्हणती भिन्न भिन्न therefore they say karma yoga is different sankhya yoga is different karma sannyasa is different but Naneshwar Maharaj asks a question dipa pratikai an anan prakash ahati is is there difference between light of one lamp and light of other lamp all lights are same only. The lamps may be different, but light is same only. Dipa pratikai anana prakashu ahati. There is no difference in light. Like that, there is no difference in result. Karma yoga, karma sannyasa, both gives beautiful, wonderful moksha result. But when, if you follow one diligently, then पै सम्यक एके अनुभवे जिहि देखिले तत्व आघवे ते दोन्ही तेहि ऐक्य भावे मानतिगा पै सम्यक एके अनुभवे जिहि देखिले तत्व आघवे ते दोन्ही तेहि ऐक्य भावे मानतिगा एके अनुभवे एके सम्यक अनुभवे when someone experiences one thing completely. How? Jihi dekhile tattva aghave. You understand the concepts there, you understand the procedure there, you understand result of that thing there, then dohi tehi ek aikya bhave manatiga, then you understand them as one thing, not two different. When you experience, when you established in one thing, with its applications, procedure, and instruction, then you will understand both are not two, they are one. Yatsankhyaif prapyate sthanam तद्योगैरपि गम्यते एकं सांख्यं च योगं च यः पश्यति स पश्यति यत्सांख्यैः प्राप्यते स्थानं तद्योगैरपि गम्यते एकं सांख्यं च योगं च यः पश्यति स पश्यति यत्सांख्यैः प्राप्यते स्थानं तत् योगैः अपि गम्यते एकम सांख्यम च योगम च यः पश्यति स पश्यति. Same thought in different way it is emphasized here. Yat sthanam sankhya prapyate. That end result which is gained, attained by knowledge. Tat yogaihi api prapyate. That same result is gained, attained by karma yoga. One who sees sankhya and yoga one, he is having actually seen Sankhya and Karma Yoga. One who see oneness of two different things, he is the actual seer of Sankhya and Karma Yoga. आणि सांख्यी जे पाविजे तेची योगी गमिजे म्हणोनी ऐक्यता दोहिते सहजे या परी आणि सांखीजे पाविजे तेची योगी गमिजे म्हणोनी ऐक्यता दोहिते सहजे या परी सांखीजे पाविजे वॉट एवर यू गेट by following path of renunciation techi yogi gamiche same thing you get by path of action manoni aikyata dohite therefore they are one. See, in the journey they are not one, result it is one. For example, you are going by train and you are going by flight, you are reaching to Kashmir only, they are not, result will be the same. One thing you will go by train, another thing you will go by flight, but be careful when you go, don't go few days. Dohite aikyata. Yeah, because they give result, that's why they are one. No, no, we didn't understand. Can you explain it more? Yes. देखे आकाशा आणि अवकाशा भेदू नाही जैसा तैसे ऐक्य योग संन्यासा ओळखे जो देखे आकाशा आणि अवकाशा भेदू नाही जैसा तैसे ऐक्य योग संन्यासा ओळखे जो देखे आकाशा स्पेस and sky. Akash, sky, Avakash, space. So space and sky, bhedu nahi. There is no difference. तैसे like that. Yoga sannyasa, aikya olakhejo, like that. Sannyasa and yoga, there is no difference as far as results are concerned. And such person only knew the secret of Sankhya and Yoga. तयासीची जगी पाहले, आपण पे तेणेची देखिले. जया सांख्य योग जाणवले भेदे विण. तयासीची जगी पाहले, आपण पे तेणेची देखिले. जया सांख्य योग जाणवले भेदे विण. तयासीच जगी, that person has recognized, understood, has grasped आपण पे तेणेची देखील, and he has seen himself. One who has understood Sankhya Yoga, they are not different. So that person has seen the oneness of Sankhya and Yoga. He has seen himself. He has seen world also. They are not two different things. What explanation? So both the things gives the same result. Hmm. माझा ज्ञानेश्वर कृपाळू उदार, माझा ज्ञानेश्वर तया नमस्कार वारंवार. न पाह्याती कुळाचा विचार, भक्त करुणाकर ज्ञानाबाई. न पाह्याती कुळाचा विचार, भलतिये भावे शरण जाता भेटी. भलतिये भावे शरण जाता भेटी. पाडी तसे तुटी जन्म व्याधी. पाडी तसे तुटी जन्म व्याधी. न पाह्याती कुळाचा विचार, न पाह्याती कुळाचा विचार. ज्ञानाबाई माझी अनाथाची माय. ज्ञानाबाई माझी अनाथाची माय. एका जनार्दनी पाय वंदितसे. एका जनार्दनी पाय वंदितसे. कृपाळू उदार माझा ज्ञानेश्वर. कृपाळू उदार माझा ज्ञानेश्वर. न पाह्याती कुळाचा विचार, भक्त करुणाकर ज्ञानाबाई. भक्त करुणाकर ज्ञानाबाई. न पाह्याती कुळाचा विचार. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, देव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, देव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. तुकाराम 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 तुकाराम. पुंडलीक वरदा हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति 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 ही। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।